In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add an order form to your Wix website. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have an order form perfectly integrated into your site, ready to start collecting those crucial customer orders. No matter if you're a Wix novice or a seasoned user, these instructions will help you get the job done efficiently. First, we need to make our way to your Wix dashboard. You'll find this by logging into your Wix account, where you land on the central hub for all your website functionalities. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the Edit Site button. By clicking this, you open up the editor, which is the heart of customizing and personalizing your Wix site. Now that you're in the editor, let's locate the page where you'd like to feature your new order form. This involves navigating through the site menu on the left, where all your pages are listed. Consider where your order form is most relevant and user-friendly for visitors. This could be your homepage for easy access, or a dedicated shop or services page to streamline customer navigation. Once you've made your decision, click on the page to open it in the editor. With your page open, we can move on to the exciting part, adding your order form. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu featuring several icons, which are your tools for enhancing your site. Click on the icon that looks like a plus sign with the label Add Elements. This is essentially a treasure trove of design and functional elements you can integrate into your pages. Scroll through the menu until you find the Payment section. Here, you'll see the option for an order form. These forms are pre-designed with e-commerce needs in mind, offering you a selection of templates to choose from. Take your time to browse the options Wix provides and select a template that aligns with the overall aesthetic and functionality of your website. Once you've made your choice, it's as simple as clicking, dragging, and dropping the form onto your chosen page. This drag and drop feature is one of the intuitive benefits of using Wix, as it allows you to adjust the position of your form precisely where you envision it appearing, ensuring a seamless match with your site's flow and design. And there you have it. You've successfully added an order form to your Wix site. This form will function as a vital tool in your website's e-commerce arsenal, simplifying the order-taking process and enhancing the overall user experience. Remember, you can always further customize your form's appearance and fields to refine its usability and look. Thank you for watching, and happy site building!